Hello everyone, this is Kirti and I am back with another video. I am glad to say that we are 500 members family. I love you all and thank you for being here. Here in this video, I have used Himi gauche. This became my favorite medium because of its texture and high pigment. I am starting a new bird series in a sketchbook, but this time I will make it more creative and attractive. I am painting Kingfisher first. It has very bright colors and highlights. I have shared its shots earlier. Have you watched it? First, I am starting with blue shades. It is more bluey. And this brush shape is helping me to achieve perfect shape and evenly spread colors. Next with yellow one. Some orange tap tap. I am also painting lotus here and starting with yellow color. Adding some pinkish border, some pink shades more, it will look more attractive. With the details, adding more details using darker pigment, Now finally using black for giving it a particular shape. Adding some highlights so it will look more realistic. Some background with blue. Adding some pink for contrast. Thanks for watching. We will meet soon in coming days, so stay tuned for the next video. Do subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon and share this video with your family, friends and loved ones. Thank you.